I found something really cool today, something worth checking out, I think. It's called Oodaloo, I think is the way you say it. Oodaloo. It's a weird name, but it's free, and it's a way to gamify your practice for free. So, when you go to the website, it's oodaloo.org is the name of the website. You have to create an account, but it's a free account. And then you want to go to manage groups, and you want to create a group. So I just created a class, name it. And then down here where you add students, you can add students by just sending them this link, and they have a group code to join your class. And I think after they join, they're going to be in. So it's a one-time join. But the thing about Oodaloo that I like is you go to content and games, and you can search. I've got my question sets here, or I can search, or I can create question sets. So let's just search, and like it's Christmas, so I searched this earlier, Christmas songs, and you get this whole list of already created question sets. And like here's a trivia one. You can click here and view the details. That'll let you preview the questions and see if you like them, or you can just click play. And what your students are going to see is your set of questions in all these games. It's the same set of questions in all these games. So once you send them the link and they go in, you've assigned this to them, like you click feed the sheep, the questions that you set, like rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party, hop. So once you pick your answer, it's going to like do a spin, play, no play. It's like a roulette wheel. If you get to play, you get a few minutes of playing the game. And I'll probably crash my airplane here. Okay. But anyway, then they play for a couple seconds, then they get another question, and they play for a couple seconds, they get another question. Sometimes they'll get a question to play after every question. Sometimes they'll have to answer a few questions before they get to play, but they get to pick their game. Look at all these games to choose from, and all of them are focused on your question set. So you can use a question set that's already there, or you can click here to create a question collection, name it, give it a second, and then you've got all these things to choose from. You can do matching pairs. I've seen that a lot with primary kids, matching a word and a picture, or a letter and a sound. Click the missing word, flashcards, multiple choice, true, false, all these options to create your own questions. So in other words, you could take all your vocabulary words for the week, or your practice questions for a math concept you're doing, or whatever, build the question set in here. And then when you assign that to your group of kids, they can play all those games, whichever game they like, using your question set. So multiple game options with one set of questions. And there's also analytics. You can see how the students are doing. You can track it. You can give them rewards. I'm new to it, but I think it's really cool, and I didn't think I should wait. I thought it was worth sharing right away for you to check out. So oodaloo.org, OODLU.org.